CVA students, welcome to the first day of school. I am Mrs. Castle and I am the virtual coordinator at the high school. You are going to be working with a mentor this year. Some of you will be working with me and some of you are going to be working with a different teacher at Carlisle High School as your mentor. So your mentors are going to be reaching out to you sometime this week. Letting them know that you are on their team and they will be checking in with you every other week for a progress check-in. And you will direct any type of mentor questions towards them. And if you have any instruction, content-related questions, you're going to reach out to your online teacher for that, just as if you would raise your hand or talk to your teacher in traditional school. So I just wanted to make a quick video to talk about Schoology and Fuel Ed, just to make sure that we're all on the same page and we have a successful day one. So in Schoology, I've logged on here, and at the top, I want to click on Groups. And this was in an email that was sent out on Friday to the district. And you're going to click on over here, Carlisle Virtual Academy. And we are going to go over here, and the directions are right here. Dr. Buffington had posted them. Over here, we're going to click on Resources. Okay, there is a video here that just a minute long. If you want to watch that, that will be helpful. And if you scroll down and you click in any of these folders, you're going to find your pacing guides that I've already customized for you for your Fuel Ed classes. So you want to open those up and save those to your computer. I'm going to hop over and we're going to go on to Fuel Ed now. When you log on, everybody got their logon information from Get Fueled when I processed your enrollment and your welcome letter. It was also in there. When you log on to Fuel Ed, you're going to have these boxes for your classes. Okay, so let's check out astronomy here. So the tabs are a little different than Schoology. Tabs are at the top going across. All right. There's announcements here that your teacher might have already posted. If they're not there, I'm sure your teacher is in the process of posting some announcements. You're going to click on Content. That's where you're going to get started. All right. On the left-hand side, it's in sequential order. So you're obviously going to want to start at the top under Course Materials. Just like the first day of school in traditional, you would want to look at the syllabus, teacher contact information. Again, some teachers might still be updating that. Welcome letter, talk about academic integrity, cheating, what that looks like online. So go through and read all these things. And then here's our first unit on the universe. This is an astronomy class. So this is what a Fuel Ed class looks like. You are going to know what assignments you should complete by looking at and downloading that pacing guide. Okay, so this is Fuel Ed. If we hop over back to Schoology and go to courses, your Schoology courses are going to be loaded here. You would go in here. This is a health class, and you would see in updates. A lot of teachers post in updates, and this is my health class that I teach and my announcement for what is due this week, okay, and the directions. If you navigate to the Materials tab, that's where you're going to see the directions, okay? So it's an introduction welcome for my class. So I hope that's helpful, getting everyone off on the right foot, navigating both Fuel Ed and Schoology classes for the first day of school. I hope you have a great first day. Take care.